Greetings, guys. I am Mathematics with Mr. Barnes, and I am just ecstatic right now. We're going to do multiplying linear expressions, but this is a next step above the problem we did previously. This step adds a little bit more value in it because we have a 2/3 within the parentheses. So we're going to do the same thing as before. We're using the distributive property. Distributive property means we're going to distribute out each of these values that's within our parentheses by the value that is on the outside of our parentheses. So on the outside of our parentheses, we have a coefficient. This coefficient is 9 and n, right? 9n. So the coefficient is made up of a variable and a numerical value. So we're going to multiply this by 5n. So we distribute it by multiplying 9n times 5n. So 9n times 5n, we're going to multiply, and that's going to equal 45. 9 times 5 is 45. But we also have 2n. So when we have 2n, that means that we have to multiply n times n. And since n is a variable and it's 2, that means it's going to be n to the power of 2. Okay, so next we're going to distribute out the next value, which is 2/3. We're going to do 9n times 2/3. So 9n times 2 over 3. So we could go ahead and make this 9n into a fraction. So I could multiply across. And when I multiply across, it's going to be 9n over 1 times 2/3. So 9n times 2/3 is going to basically be multiplied with my numerator times my numerator and my denominator times my denominator. So 9n times 2 equal 18n. Okay? So now I multiply my denominator. 1 times 3 equals 3. So guys, since basically we have to simplify this value, right? Because 18n over 3, I know I have a least common multiple of 3. 3 is my least common multiple, so I would like to divide my numerator and my denominator by 3, which is a whole, right? Because 3 over 3 equal a whole. So I'm dividing 18n by 3, and I'm dividing 3 by 3, which is going to give us 18n divided by 3, that's 6n. 3 divided by 3, that's going to be 1. So now I have my expression simplified. I have a 45n to the power of 2, or 45n squared. Also, we have 6n over 1, which is also 6n. So what I would like to do is just go ahead and write out my expression, which we ended up getting 45 n to the power of 2, or 45n squared. That's plus, I can go ahead and, since it's a positive, that's why this is positive, 6n is going to add 6n, and I can keep it as this instead of a fraction because 6n over 1 is also equivalent to 6n. Guys, what we have just done today was multiplying linear expressions. I am Mathematics with Mr. Barnes. So I am here for any of your concerns or any of your comments or any of your questions.